Hello friends, this is Road to IIT and today we are going to start a new chapter, a new topic that is ellipse. See, some student asked me to upload a video on ellipse, so I'm going to post 2 to 3 videos before JEE mains in the ellipse topic, okay? So let's start from the basic because basics is always needed. So first of all, ellipse. We know that in parabola eccentricity is always 1, but ellipse that's not possible. And ellipse eccentricity is always between 0 to 1. It's always less than 1. Okay, now we have the common equation of the ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. Here two types of ellipse are there. The first is the major axis as a x-axis and second one is major axis as a y-axis. Now if here a is greater than b, if a is greater than b, then the major axis is x-axis, and for find the eccentricity E, we have this equation: b square is equals to a square 1 minus e square. This is a very basic thing, we all know that about this, okay? And by using this we can find the eccentricity: b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. But if the reverse is here, that means b greater than a, and at that time the ellipse is major axis is y-axis, okay? And that time this equation becomes a square is equals to b square 1 minus e square, okay? We all know that this is a very basic thing. So this is an ellipse having a major axis as the x-axis. Ellipse have two foci. This is the two foci. This perpendicular passing through the foci is lattice rectum. We all know that. This is the minor axis, this is the major axis. This is the distance between two foci. This is two directrix here. All this formula we learn in the parabola also. All this parameters, okay, we learn in the parabola also, but the formula is here different. The formula for foci here is plus or minus a by ae comma 0, because here we are talking about the general with the major axis as a x-axis, okay? So you have to carry out with the y-axis also. Here the foci is a comma 0 and minus a comma, that means plus or minus a comma 0. If we are talking about the y as a major axis, then the foci becomes 0 comma plus or minus b, okay? Similarly, the equation of directrix is x is equals to plus or minus a by e. If y-axis, then x is equal to plus or minus b by e. Similarly, the vertices here minus a comma 0, a comma 0. If there is a y as a major axis, then minus b comma 0, b comma 0, sorry, 0 comma minus b and 0 comma b, okay? The length of major and minor axis here 2a comma 2b. If the reverse is there, then the major axis is 2b and minor axis is 2a, okay? This is also important. The length of lattice rectum is 2b square by, in this case. If the reverse, that means if the major axis is y-axis, then it becomes 2a square by b. This is a very common thing. We all know that. We all learn this in the 11th and 12th standard. Still, I'm going to cover this. Again, parametric equation: x is equals to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. Okay, we all know about this. Now, this all are the common stuff. Now, two most important thing which we should have to remember, that is you don't cover in your boards, that is this two. First one, the equation y is equals to mx plus c, that is a line, is a tangent to the ellipse if c square is equals to a square m square plus b square, okay? So we have to remember this condition. That means if a line is tangent, then this condition must going to be satisfied. C square is equals to a square m square plus b square. We have c from here and m from here and a square b square from the ellipse, okay? So please remember this. This is a very important point to remember, okay? And one more thing, the area of the ellipse. Area of ellipse is pi ab. This is also important thing. So please remember these two topics, these two lines, these 2 points. I'm going to cover more points on the next video, but this is time to solve a past year JEE problem. Let's solve this. This is asked in JEE 2013. What we have, the equation of the circle passing through the foci of the ellipse. That means the circle is passing through the foci of the ellipse. This x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equals to 1 and having a center at 0, 3. So this is the basic figure. The center is at 0, 3 and it is passing through the foci of this ellipse. Now we just have to find out the foci of this ellipse. Now here you can see a is 4 because a square is 16. That means a is 4 and b is 3. That means a greater than b. A is greater than b here. That means its major axis is x-axis. So what is the formula of foci? The formula of foci is plus or minus a by ae comma 0. Plus or minus ae comma 0. Now we have to just find out, we have a here, a is 4. We just have to find out e. Now what is e? For e we have the formula b square is equals to a square 1 minus e square. So e becomes square root of 1 minus b square by a square. So 1 minus 9 by 16, that means e becomes square root of 7 by 4. This is e. Okay. And the foci are, we have the foci here. Foci are a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. Okay. So a is 4 here. So a into this, that means root 7 comma 0 and minus root 7 comma 0 is my two foci. Now we have the circle which passing through root 7 comma 0 and minus root comma 7 0 and center at 0 comma 3. Now we have center. We have to find radius. How? By using distance formula between these two and just apply the formula of circle. Okay. So coordinate of foci we have root 7 comma 0 minus root 7 comma 0. Radius root 7 minus 0 whole square. That means 7 plus 0 minus minus 3 whole square. That means 9. That becomes 16. That is 4. Now we have the center. We have the radius. We have the formula of circle. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to r square. That means that is 4 square. So x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equals to 16. Is equal, this is my center. So x square plus y square minus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is my equation of a circle. This is the required equation of circle. So my right answer is this. Answer option number 1. X square plus y square minus 6y plus 7 is equals to 0. Minus 7 is equals to 0. Okay. So right option is here. 4 option is right. X square plus y square minus 6y minus 7 is equals to 0. So this is all about today's video. Still I am going to post a 1 or 2 videos on ellipse and for the conic section to revise past year JEE problems. Okay. So keep watching. Please watch all the previous video that helpful to you. That might helpful a lot because JEE is very near. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.